They asked Jesus, "Are you that prophet that's going to sit on the throne of David and take the flock over? That Elijah coming to restore all things?" He said, "No, I'm not, but if you'll have it, he's here," and the people understood just who in the flock he was talking about. I require y'all to read Isaiah chapter 42 'cause Jesus only fit a chapter a little bit. Jason is absolutely deaf out of his right ear, nerve doesn't connect, and I'm disqualified from laser eye surgery because my stigmatism, Clark Kent, and Jesus didn't open prison doors. How about that? Now it doesn't end there. All these Christians talk about some Antichrist going to rise up. Blah, blah, blah. When Jesus and all the problems talking about the restoration of all things, read Acts chapter 3 start at verse 18. And while you're there, read Acts chapter 17. Funny thing about the Day of Atonement, Yom Kippur, 2022, I was riding through Bethesda of all places. I passed a school billboard and it says school is closed Wednesday. October 5th, I'm like, WTF, why is school closed on my birthday, on a Wednesday? What is a PTA meeting? No, it's Yom Kippur, and it's also the other Jewish holidays other years. Acts 17. Jason in the Greek was Eason, put a shepherd's crook in it, and it's Jason, meaning you're feeling about to come future active participial masculine. How about that? Oh, I forgot to mention Bethesda was the pool mentioned in the Bible. Some people thought it was superstitious, but now it's just a demonstration for the galactic PTA meeting. You see generation after generation, and some had multiple occasions. The Jew never threw the crippled in the pool. The more you let Jason explain the ancients, the more solid these things become. Nebuchadnezzar and Daniel had the same vision, the destruction of every welfare whore system and the dismantlement of every illogical operation. Jesus did the sowing, but Jason's not only the reaper. I took a dual role. I solved the Doomsday logic puzzle, don't you know? Sort of like the road to Emmaus, I got to do all the explaining. But the difference is Jason doesn't die. My operation happens before the resurrection. Moses struck the rock twice. Jason doesn't die. And I wouldn't quarantine you with a bunch of knuckleheads you can't see the promised land. LMAO, Moses, you didn't figure out the puzzle. Let them dummies think it's for discipline. I'll take you up on the Piggy Mountain, and I'll show you the promised land. LMAO, it's just flowing with milk and honey. Mr. Ham, go skeet in Canaan. That right there is your promised land. Read Ecclesiastes 4:14 to the end. Solomon saw my day, and it's only the fraud that gets mad. Filthy, still filthy, harvest has passed. Connect the stars in the constellations. Esther 4:14. Connect another one. Revelation 14:4. That's not a virgin, stupid. They're unindoctrinated and pure. Acts 17. There's a new king just at Revelation 17. Or maybe just tie it all to Nebuchadnezzar's dream.